Hello YouTube. Today I decided to make a very simple oatmeal breakfast. I have some gluten-free oats and I'm gonna make them into a porridge. So stay tuned. Oops, where are the oats? Oats! Oh, here you are. My gluten-free oats. They're not exactly gluten-free completely, but they have way less gluten because they don't leave so much whiteness in the water. 1 cup should be enough. Don't think I'm gonna need more than a cup. Good. Twice the amount of water. Yeah, I need 1 more cup of water. 2nd cup. Bring it to a slow simmer. Pinch of salt. Salt is good. Not too much though. 6 grams a day is the limit of sodium, the healthy range. Okay, it's boiling. Usually it takes half an hour to cook oats for the porridge to be soft, but with these gluten-free oats it's a lot quicker. 15, maybe even 10 minutes. It finished way quicker than I expected. Now it's time to add some cinnamon. Cinnamon powder, where are you? Here you are. Half a tablespoon worth of cinnamon. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, this is some rice that I'm making. And optionally you can sweeten it, but I found that it's not necessary. The cinnamon is very sweet. I have sweet cinnamon, not spicy. It's pretty dark in this corner. It's the middle of January, winter time, and it's just snowed yesterday, so the light is very weak, but it's better than nothing. Way better. Yeah, I'm also making a new sourdough starter, and this is rice flour. I made some brown rice flour in my blender. I'll explain it in another video. So, this was it. Hope you found it useful, and hope you make good porridge. Good day.